Hi, I'm Lucas from MED-EL and I'm here to show you how to use your Rondo 3 audio processor. First up, how to charge it.
To start charging Rondo 3 wirelessly, plug the USB cable into the charging pad. Plug the other end into the wall plug adapter or into a USB port. Place the Rondo 3 in the exact center of the wireless charging pad, with the MED-EL logo facing upwards. Rondo 3 will automatically switch off when placed on the wireless charger. The orange charging indicator light on Rondo 3 will illuminate while it is charging. When the light goes off, Rondo 3 is fully charged. This should take 2.5 to 4 hours. We recommend charging your Rondo 3 overnight for a full day of hearing.
You can also charge Rondo 3 on the go, using the Rondo 3 charging cable and a power bank.
To charge Rondo 3 using a power bank, first open the rubber socket cover at the bottom of your audio processor and plug the charging cable into the socket. Then plug the other end into a power bank. The Rondo 3 charging cable can be connected to power banks, computers, TVs, or other USB power sources.
So there you have it. Incredibly simple charging with Rondo 3.